Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing? I'm very excited to be here, excited to be in New York, and very candidly excited to be meeting all these fantastic founders who are building some compelling companies addressing the challenges of climate change. My name is Rajan Pandare. I'm the Chief Executive of QiO Technologies. We are an incredibly disruptive software as a service company addressing the challenges using AI to address something very simple. We support energy-intensive industries in accelerating their journey towards sustainability and net zero goals. There is an urgent need right now globally to accelerate companies in reducing energy consumption, reducing carbon emissions, and these are the two problems that we are currently addressing. Energy efficiency, up to 30 to 35, 40% of cost of production is as a result of energy consumption. Our solutions target anywhere between 5 to 15% of energy savings. Carbon emissions, factories that are run inefficiently generate anywhere between 3.5 to 4 billion tons of carbon emission that could be effectively managed. We support carbon emission reduction by anywhere to 7 to 8%. So what are the solutions that we offer in the marketplace that enable us to do this? Foresight Optima, a core proposition of ours that optimizes industrial assets for energy efficiency. Foresight maintenance, over a period of time, assets degrade in performance, creating the challenges of efficiency and carbon emissions. We predict maintenance so that we can reduce the downtime and extend the utilization of the asset. Foresight service, once an asset breaks down or is predicted for the need for maintenance, Foresight service kicks in to support the acceleration of the maintenance. Very simplistically, when we look at assets, whether it is a boiler, a compressor, a production line, a factory, it is all about how do you run that particular asset efficiently, how do you monitor the health of the asset, and how do you service it so that you can drive the sustainability of those assets. How do we make it happen? We connect to the IoT devices that exist on the assets. We collect the relevant data. Specifically, we collect production data, engineering data, and the energy data. And then using our AI, we are able to advise the operator what do they need to do, what dials do they need to turn. Turn it down from 128 to 120, turn down the temperature from 93 to 92, and many more of those controllable parameters that will then allow them to capitalize on the savings that is possible with our technology. Now, we could either tell the operators to do it, or we also enable directly interfacing with these systems so that we can do it in a closed loop manner, not requiring the necessity of having the operators do it. Have we done this successfully across the globe? Yes. If you look at some of our customers, Forterra is one of the largest brick manufacturer, manufacturing about 2.5 million bricks per production line. We have implemented our solution, delivering about 5% of energy savings. Continental Tire, one of the largest tire manufacturer, we are implementing on their solution on their production line, delivering about 20% savings, both on energy efficiency as well as production efficiency. BT is both our partner as well as our customer. We optimize their data centers, contact centers, and their networks for energy efficiency. Intel is an anchor partner of ours. We have worked with them to build a disruptive technology for optimization of servers. For those of you who don't know, we all talk about aviation industry contributing to about 2.5 to 3% of carbon emission. Data center does the same thing. So we have built a disruptive technology that delivers energy efficiency and carbon emission reduction by about 24 to 50%. ARC, another large glass manufacturer. Rolls-Royce is a marquee customer of ours. Sustainability, as we talk about it, we have been working with them for the last 4 years, delivering the sustainability for their jet engines, business jet engines, from about 1,000 jet engines to 6,800 jet engines. As a result of this, in fact, last week has been fantastic for us. We won 2 major deals. We won a deal to drive sustainability for carbon capture equipment, which has become the need of the hour. And we have also won another deal to drive sustainability with one of the largest automotive truck manufacturer to help them scale up sustainability and reutilization of their trucks. This has all been possible really Over a period of time, we have done this successfully. As a result of this, we remain very thankful to 100+ Accelerator for inviting us to implement our solutions at Unilever. We have done this for the last 2 months and have been able to demonstrate 3% of energy savings on an annualized basis. It could be as high as 15% of energy savings. This has all been possible as a result of a team. We have got a great team. We have grown from about 28 people a year back to closing to about 55 people. This is a team that is passionate about climate change, and they also work hard and play hard. So what is our purpose? Really to help industrial companies reduce energy, reduce carbon emissions, and we have delivered a track record of 5 to 15% on the industrial sector and 25 to 50% in the data center world. We have successfully raised about 10 million in Series B funding early part of this year to help accelerate the growth of the business. Why are we here today? Very simple. We want to be able to save 100 million tons of carbon over the next 5 years. And to enable us to do that, we need you, customers, strategic partners, and investors. Thank you very much.